Hi everyone, welcome back again. I'm your teacher Freddy, and today we are going to have the last part of our second topic. And this one now is all about the previous one that we were studying. So this one is Pathum 2, and we are talking about nice weather and clothes. We are talking about nice weather and clothes. Remember the previous lesson we studied about nice weather, then we studied about clothes, but now today we are going to look into details about the clothing, how you have to dress when the weather is like this or that. Okay, so now we are going to proceed now into the lesson, but before that we are going to have a warm-up song, then later we'll continue to our lesson. Okay, now I hope you enjoyed and you liked the song. So now I'm just going to remind you a bit of the about clothes. And here we have a sweater, we have socks, we have shoes, we have hat, we have trousers, then we have shirt, we also have dress. So now I'm going to play for you the audio. You can listen to it a bit, listen, point, and repeat.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and read aloud.
Sweater, socks, shoes, hat, trousers, shirt, dress.
Okay, good. So now I hope you have listened the point and read about it loud. So now we are going to proceed. So here we go. So now in this part we are going to look at this
clothes.
Okay, now, so after looking at that, now we are going to have an exercise. Kindly look at the pictures and number the words. Look at the pictures and number the words. We have the pictures of some kids or some students standing, and they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now look at the picture and number the words. So I'm just going to give you time. You look at these 3 kids, that is 2 boys and 1 girl. Look at the numbers, then from there you're going to number. And in the next slide I'm going to give you the answers. So kindly please look at the picture. Okay, good. So now I'm going now to reveal to you the answers. Are you ready? So here we go. So now in this slide I'm going to show you the answers. So number 1 and number 2. So here we go. Here is number 1, shirt, and number 2 is trousers. Number 3 is dress. Number 4 is hat. Number 5 is sweater. And lastly, number 6 is socks. And the last one is number 7 is shoes. Okay, very good. So if you did that, that's a very good job. Well done. That's very good. So now we are going to proceed. So now here in this slide we are going to have more exercise. Listen and say. You're going to listen and say. So now you're going to start with this one. I am wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I am wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. Then the second one, the lady, is I am wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. And the last one is I am wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers. I am wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers. So now I'm going to play for you the audio. Listen and say.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 3. Listen and say.
I'm wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I'm wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers.
Okay, one more time I'm going to play for you again.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 3. Listen and say.
I'm wearing a blue shirt and a green hat. I'm wearing a pink dress and orange socks. I'm wearing a red sweater and yellow trousers.
Okay, good. So now we're going to proceed to the next slide. Okay, now here in this slide we are going to have an exercise that you have to do, and it's very simple. So what you are going to do is, what are you wearing? Look at yourself. What are you wearing? So draw yourself. Then you can talk to your friend, your sister, your brother, your mom or your dad at home. Then just say, I'm wearing a red dress and a green hat. So draw yourself. You can draw yourself and say, I'm wearing a red t-shirt and a black short. I'm wearing a white t-shirt and a black trouser. Okay? So you're going to do that example. Kindly do that and write in your book. Then you can take a picture and send to your teacher, me here. Okay? Good. So we proceed. So now, here we are going to listen to a song and sing. You're going to listen and sing. It's a very nice and easy song, and here it goes.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 5. Listen and sing.
My clothes.
My clothes.
I put on my socks, my socks. I take off my socks, my socks. shirt, my shirt. I take off my shirt, my shirt. I put on my dress, my dress. I take off my dress, my dress. I'm ready. Let's go!
So one more time, we're going to sing again that song. It's very nice. It goes like this. I put on my socks, my socks. I put on my socks, my socks. I take off my socks, my socks. I put on my shirt, my shirt. I take off my shirt, my shirt. I put on my dress, my dress. I take off my dress, my dress. I am ready. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to play the audio again. Listen carefully and sing along.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 5. Listen and sing.
My clothes. I put on my socks, my socks. I take off my socks, my socks. I put on my shirt, my shirt. I take off my shirt, my shirt. I put on my dress, my dress. I take off my dress, my dress. I'm ready. Let's go!
Okay, very good. So I put on my, I take off my. So that is the song. It's a very nice one. You can practice at home. So we're going to proceed. Okay, good. So now, next we are going to have an exercise. You're going to listen and mimic. Take off your hat. You take off your hat. Put on your shoes. You put on your shoes. Okay? So you imitate. Okay? You do as they are doing. Take off your hat. You take off your hat. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Okay, very good. So I'm going to play the audio. Listen and mimic.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 6. Listen and mime.
Take off your hat. Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Put on your socks.
Okay, so you're going to listen and mime. So one more time.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 2. Exercise 6. Listen and mime.
Take off your hat. Put on your shoes. Take off your shoes. Put on your socks.
Okay, very good. So now we're going to proceed. So now, look and match. Look and match. So we have this A, B, C, D, and E. So kindly please, I'm going to read for you. Then you're going to match. Okay? So I'm going to start with this one. Put on my shoes. So look at the pictures. Which one is matching? Put on my shoes. Number 2, take off my socks. Which picture is take off my socks? Number 3, put on my hat. Put on my hat. Which one is put on my hat? A, B, C, D, or E? Then number 4, take off my sweater. Take off my sweater. A, B, C, D, E, choose one. And then the last one we have, put on my shirt. Put on my shirt. A, B, C, D, and E. So after doing that, I'm going to give you the answers in the next slide. Are you ready? Okay, so here we go. So in the next slide, I'm showing you the answers, and here they are. Good, so look at this. So we are going to start. Number 1, put on my shoes. There we go. So, take off my sweater. A is take off my sweater. B is take off my socks. C is put on my hat. D is put on my shoes. The last one, E is put on my shirt. Okay, very good. So if you did that, that's a good job. Well done. That's very good. Okay, so now we proceed. The next slide. And we are going to do more practice. So now you are going here to listen, point, and say, it's raining. I'm wearing my shoes. So now this is an example. So I'm going to play for you the audio. You're going to listen, point, and say. Okay? So now you're going to point, listen, and say. So here is an example. It's raining. I am wearing shoes. So you look at the picture and say, it's raining. I'm wearing shoes. It's, look at me. What is it? What kind of weather is that? Then see, what kind of weather is that? I'm going to play for you the audio. Listen, point, and say. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Smile Activities, Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
It's raining. I'm wearing my shoes. It's sunny. I'm wearing my hat. It's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater.
Okay, very good. So A is, it's raining. I am wearing my shoes. B, it's sunny. I'm wearing my hat. Then C, it's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater because it's very cold. Okay, that is very good. So I'm going to play for you the audio one more time. Then you are going to listen, point, and say. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? Okay.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Smile Activities, Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say.
It's raining. I'm wearing my shoes. It's sunny. I'm wearing my hat. It's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater.
Okay, very good. So now we proceed the next slide to look at more examples. So here we are going to listen and circle the picture. So what I'm going to do in this exercise is very simple. I'm going to play for you the audio. You listen and circle the picture. You have two options. You have A and B. So you're going to listen. After listening, you choose the correct answer. Okay? Good. So now I'm going to play for you the audio. Can you just write somewhere? Write somewhere. 1, 2, 3. Then number 1, you have to choose whether the answer is A or B. Number 2, whether the answer is A or B. Then number 3, whether the answer is A or B. And now, here we are. I'm going to play for you the audio. So kindly please make sure you listen and choose the correct answer.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Smile Activities, Exercise 3. Listen and circle the picture.
Number 1. It's raining. I'm wearing my shoes.
Number 2. It's sunny. I'm wearing my hat.
Number 3. It's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater.
Okay, now, so you choose the correct answers. One more time, I'm going to play for you the audio again. So kindly listen carefully and circle the correct picture, the correct answer. So here we go.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Smile Activities, Exercise 3. Listen and circle the picture.
Number 1. It's raining. I'm wearing my shoes.
Number 2. It's sunny. I'm wearing my hat.
Number 3. It's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater.
Okay, very good and very easy. And now in the next slide, I'm going to show you the answers. Are you ready for it? Okay, very good. So now, here we go. So look at this. And now, I am going to play the audio. So listen one more time. Then I'm going to show you the answers.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Smile Activities, Exercise 3. Listen and circle the picture.
Number 1. It's raining. I'm wearing my shoes.
Number 2. It's sunny. I'm wearing my hat.
Number 3. It's snowing. I'm wearing my sweater.
Okay, very good. So those are the answers. If you chose that one, then you are very correct, and that is a very good job. Clap for yourself. Well done. That's very good. So now we are almost finishing, so we proceed. And now here you're going to take chance to talk about weather and the clothes. You're going to practice to talk chance about weather and clothes. So look at the weather and the cloth, matching it. So we say, for example, number 1, we are going to say it's cold. It's cold. Then your friend is going to say, put on your sweater. It's cold, put on your sweater. You say it's cold, put on your sweater. Then you're going to say another one, it's raining. Then your friend will say, put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Then here, it's sunny. Then your friend is going to say, put on your t-shirt. So simple and very easy like that. And now we are almost finishing our lesson. So we are going to the last part, then we finish up our lesson. So here we go. We're going to have something like a song and more of like an explanation on how to use the word put on and take off. So here we go. Okay, great job. I hope you liked the song, the last part. of it. And that one now brings us to the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and kindly please make sure you watch the video again and again. Then we shall meet in the next lesson. Okay, goodbye. Take care, guys.